Hey guys, my name's Mike Davenport and I'm from Jim's Mowing. Today we're going to show you how to mow your lawn like a pro. So, first up, today we're going to be using a Honda 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Fantastic lawnmower, one of the best mowers probably on the market. Don't forget, a bit of PPE, so you need your earmuffs, you need some gloves, and obviously you need your glasses as well. So when you've just rocked up, you're having a look at the lawn, today's a little bit wet, so that's going to make it a little bit tricky in terms of getting a nice clean finish. And as you can see also, it's also a little spongy, all right, which now means our lawnmower is going to sink. Okay, so it means we need to lift up the actual height gauge and making sure that we're compensating for some of that sink. If we don't compensate, what's going to happen is we're going to cut the grass very, very low. Okay, so we don't want to do that as well. The other thing to remember is it's a wet day, so therefore when we are cutting the grass, we're going to leave some heavy lines. Okay, so some clients like it, some clients don't. Obviously through a wet period like winter, clients are quite okay with that sort of stuff. But in a dry situation, you may want to let it dry out a little bit before you do cut. So one of the things we need to focus on is what height that lawn's going to be. So you always want to do a test cut first. And a couple of other things you want to try and do is, whenever you are cutting an area, try and run all the way around the outside edge at least once, and then give yourself the opportunity to do nice straight lines, up and down, up and down. One of the other tips we'll give you, let's just say that the back of the house was over here and that was where the viewing angle was from. Make sure your lines run up and down towards the actual kitchen window or the viewing area, because it'll look like the MCG when you've just cut it. So, as I explained a little bit earlier, this grass here today was quite wet, and as you can see, some of our lines are starting to get quite heavy. You can actually also see, looking straight down, you can see my feet marking it. So, probably my advice today to any franchisee out there or anyone mowing their own lawn, I'd probably stop at that point and say don't mow your lawns any further today. I think you're just going to do a lot of damage in the process. Having some of the lines, not the big issue, okay? But as you can see, my feet are actually making big indentations all the way through. So I'd actually stop mowing that lawn today and pass it over to the client and say we'll be back probably in a few days' time when it's all dried out a little bit. One other tip I want to give you though, when you are mowing lawns, and it is a fairly long run, the trick to getting a nice straight line is to pick something at the far end. Okay, so if you are actually looking at the lawn, try and pick a tree or pick an item at the far end and walk towards that spot. So from where you are to the other end, if you focus on that, you'll find that you'll get a fairly straight line in the whole process. Good luck, guys. So there you have it, guys. We certainly hope you enjoyed that video. To engage any of our Jim's Mowing local experts, please call us on 131 546 or go to our website, jimsmowing.com.au.